Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine and preparing well for the exams. So, now let's also come to for the preparation. So, we have already revised the full syllabus of science. We have gone through each and every chapter also. So, now let's discuss the exercise work of chapter number 2. It is a somewhat difficult chapter for you. So let's discuss again. 2 times we have already discussed this chapter. So now let's discuss the book work. Chapter number 2, that is digestion and the role of microbes. So in this chapter, what is there? We have read about the process of digestion, the breakdown of food, and the role of microbes in our life. What important role do microbes play in our life? That is there in this chapter. So let's come to the exercise work of this chapter. uh, Page number 27. Let's remember. First come to let's remember what is there. First is match the following. First is mouth. So we have to match from the right hand side. What matches with the left hand side? Mouth. Saliva is concerned with mouth because saliva it is produced in the mouth. Stomach, it is a sac like organ, it is a bag like organ where food is broken down. So the right answer is a sac like organ. Third is food pipe. Food pipe, it is a tube like organ, it is over here down our mouth. It goes down from the mouth, that is food pipe. It is a pipe like or tube like organ from which the food passes down from the mouth. Next is the small intestines. Small intestines, what happens over there? Absorption of useful substances. What happens, bete? When the food is completely digested in the stomach, then it goes to the small intestine. From the small intestine, the useful substances, the nutrients that are useful to our body, they get absorbed in the blood. वो blood में चले जाते हैं जो useful substances हैं. That is the function of small intestine. Absorption of useful substances. Next is anus. Anus, it removes fecus. Fecus is the waste material that is produced inside our body. So from where the fecus is removed, it is removed from the anus. This is the organ to remove fecus. Next is true false. We should brush our teeth once a day. False, because we should brush our teeth twice a day. We should always wash our hands before and after meals. That is also true. Microbes are small enough to be seen with the naked eyes. Yes, they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. There is a special instrument that is used to see microbes. That is the microscope. What is the name of the instrument? That is microscope. Next, all microbes cause diseases. That is false. All microbes do not cause diseases. Some microbes, they are useful to us. There is one microbe in your curd also, lactobacillus. The name of the microbe is lactobacillus and it is important, it is useful for our body. हम खाते हैं ना कर्ड, तो वो माइक्रोब भी अंदर जाता है हमारे, but it doesn't cause any harm to our body, so it is a useful to us. Tuberculosis is caused by fungi, TB, in which you have cough. Is it caused by fungi? No, it is not caused by fungi. It is caused by bacteria. The name of the bacteria is Typhimurium. Next, come to fill in the blanks, page number 28. There are dash teeth in a permanent set of teeth. We have permanent set, one is temporary, one is permanent. In temporary we have 20 and in permanent set we have 32 teeth. In flesh eating animals, dash are bigger and sharper for tearing flesh. The carnivores, they have bigger and sharper canines. जो incisors के sides वाले होते हैं teeth, that are canines, they have sharper canines to tear off flesh. द डैश फॉर्म्स द सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द टूथ, जो हमारे टूथ का सेंट्रल पार्ट है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, डेट इज पल्प, जिसमें जो ब्लड वेसल्स एंड नर्व्स ऑल आर प्रेजेंट। द डैश प्रोड्यूसेस जूसेस दैट हेल्प इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, फूड पाइप, नो, फूड पाइप का फंक्शन है जो हमारे माउथ से फूड जाता है वो पास होता है फूड पाइप से। सो जूसेस कहां पे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, जो फूड को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं, डेट आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द लिवर। डैश कॉज डिजीजेस लाइक कॉमन कोल्ड एंड इन्फ्लुएंजा, कौन से माइक्रोब हैं जो कॉमन कोल्ड या इन्फ्लुएंजा प्रोड्यूस करते हैं या कॉज करते हैं, डेट आर दी वायरसेस, वायरस हैं जो। नेक्स्ट, ट्रू फॉल्स, the crown holds the teeth in their place, that is false। who holds, gums hold the teeth in their place, नीचे gums होते हैं हमारे, बीच में teeth होते हैं। we should keep our teeth clean, true। the esophagus holds food that cannot be digested and absorbs water from it, no। esophagus, what is esophagus, esophagus is the second name of food pipe, food pipe is also called esophagus। now it doesn't hold food, यहाँ पे food hold तो नहीं होता esophagus में, food pipe is also called esophagus, so it is false। but where food is holded or held and water is absorbed from it, that is the large intestine, so in place of esophagus here it will come large intestine। microbes cannot be seen with the naked eyes, true, that are seen only with the microscope। only microbes like virus and bacteria can cause diseases, false, because bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi, they all cause diseases, वो सारे cause करते हैं, only bacteria या virus ही नहीं cause करता। next is choose the correct options। which of these teeth are 12 in a number in a permanent set and help in grinding food, जो 12 होते हैं, incisors they are 8 in numbers, then comes your canines, incisors they are 8 in number, number of teeth of canines they are 4 in number, molars are 12 in number and premolars they are 8 in number। learn the numbering, कितने incisors होते हैं, canines, molars and premolars। incisors they are, जो पहले incisors हैं 4 ऊपर 4 नीचे, that are 8, canines 2 ऊपर 2 नीचे 4, molars 6 in each जो means 12, premolars 4 in each जो means 8। so which type of teeth help in grinding and 12 in numbers, that are molars। which of these are used for cutting and biting food, कौन से teeth जब cutting, simple cutting and biting के लिए help करते हैं, that are incisors, जो हमारे first 4 teeth हैं, that are incisors। which part of the tooth contains nerves and blood vessels, that is the central part of the tooth, that is pulp, pulp, pulp। which of these holds the teeth in their place, gums holds the teeth in their place। where are fecus formed, fecus is formed in the large intestine, जो large intestine में जब खाना आ जाता है हमारा, तो there the water that is present in the food that is absorbed, वो पूरा absorb हो जाता है, जो solid food है, जो solid बच जाता है, that is fecus, and from where it is removed, then it is removed through the anus। where does digestion begin, digestion begins or starts from the mouth itself, जब हम खाना माउथ में डाल देते हैं तभी से डाइजेशन जो है स्टार्ट हो जाती है। what do microbes do, they change milk into curd, right, help in making bread, right, help in the process of rotting of dead plants and animals, that is also correct, all of these, so is the answer, so everything, all the options they are correct for the microbes। which of these diseases is caused by bacteria, typhoid and cholera are the 2 diseases that are caused by bacteria, others they are caused by either protozoa, fungi or virus।